大家好，我係謝子柔。咁今次參與咗呢個法律同醫學嘅 program 啦，咁我就覺得係一個好充實嘅 program 嚟嘅，因為佢係分咗2日啦。咁第一日其實我哋就學咗好多 theory 啦，喺 medic 同埋喺法律都有嘅。咁呢啲係我由始至終都冇接觸過嘅一啲項目啦，同埋一啲係大學嘅知識。咁我哋作為中學生可以預先參加啦，咁所以我就覺得好開心。同埋另一方面就係今日嘅模擬法庭啦。咁啱啱我嘗試完之後發現，其實都有好玩嘅一面嘅。咁就係因為可以將學過嘅嘢啦，即刻就應用翻喺模擬法庭入邊，咁就可以令到自己嘅印象更加深刻。
I think that Guman is right about using bios.
So you do, and you just admitted that there is a risk in the bacteria level not being completely down, and there's still bacteria left in the patient.
I am Nathan Mo. I'm 16 years old and I am from ICS. I have entered this interdisciplinary program to explore my interest in medicine and law. This program has taught me many things and has expanded my interest in going into law or also medicine. I learned how many of these systems work inside of the occupation, and I've also learned how to prepare material if I were to also work in this occupation. I think it is a very enjoyable experience and I would thoroughly recommend it to anyone.
I trust you will make the right decision and convict the defendant so that justice can be done for the deceased. Thank you.